One of the biggest problems I see walking job sites every single week is misaligned drawers. The countertops have been installed, the drawers are not aligned properly and adjusted. It's a much easier fix to do prior to the countertops being installed, and we're going to show you this quick pro tip. Our cabinets are actually designed to be adjustable, and this is not correct. So with the countertop on, it makes it more difficult. You got to take the drawer out, you got to climb in here. They are fully adjustable, but it makes it a lot more difficult, and especially as you're trying to get things settled, you can't really see what you're doing. Best to get them adjusted without the countertop on and not have to climb inside the cabinet, but you can if you have to. So we're showing it on a cabinet without the countertop being installed. This drawer has been racked a little bit during the delivery. A lot of the cabinet companies do not have the ability to adjust these back brackets. The great thing about Highland Cabinetry is we do have adjustment in the front of our drawers and also in the back of our drawers, so it makes it far more adjustable to make a perfect finished product. So it's kicked over to the right a little bit, so what I'm going to do is just push it over to where this is parallel and make sure that we're good, and then we have a locking screw that just locks it into place. And then check to make sure that the drawer is operating correctly and we have alignment with the drawer and door. Much nicer look, better overall finished product.